Today I would like to share a little recipe that I do for morning detox. Everyone can do it as long as you prepare yourself a lemon and some hot water. Let's do it! Good morning everyone. I'm Saffie. I'm a fitness trainer, nutrition coach, yoga teacher, and a full-time model. Before I come in the kitchen, I was on my bed and I done two fantastic exercises to detox my mind. One is express gratitude. You can go here to take a look. And the second one is a positive affirmations for love. It's a simple meditation that you can do every morning to set your day with confidence and intentional note. Now I detox my mind. The next thing is I come to kitchens and it's time to detox our body. A simple way to detoxify your body each morning is to drink a cup of warm water with lemon. This will jumpstart your digestive system and give you a little health boost to start your day. So what you do is cut the lemon, very simple. And I personally like wedges. Cut the end. And then you want to cut this into 3 wedges. 1, 2, and sometimes you can even pull it off into cut into 4. Now with the wedges, key up the seed. And then with the cup that you have, squeeze the lemon juice into your cup and chuck the whole thing in. Alright, so now we will add some warm water. Let it cool down a bit and you get yourself a very nice detoxify water to start up your day and boost your digestive system. Isn't that simple to make this lemon water? I do that every morning. So drink this before you have your breakfast. First thing in the morning, just drink a warm cup. And if you want, you can drink another cup too. That's not a problem. Well, I've got my lemon water ready.
If you wake up and feeling fatigued, moody, bloated, or achy, you can add a secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar in the lemon water to cleanse and purify your body with extra boost.
Thank you for watching. I'm Saffie. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe, like and share, and also comment below. Tell me how you feel after you drink this warm cup of lemon juice. Have a wonderful day ahead. Namaste.